Good day, everyone. In today's class, I'll be teaching how to make use of the select element, the select tag in HTML. So the select element is used to create a drop-down list, like a drop-down menu. So the select element is often used in a form to collect users' inputs. So the select element also have some attributes like name, ID, and the rest. So let me show you how to make use of the select element. So let me show you. Let me use my p tag. Start with that. Let me say choose your fav your favorite. Choose your best club. Choose your football club. You say choose your football club. So we are having it here. So let me say form. So as you have known this, so let me send it down here and okay, let me make this to this. Okay, no worry, let me see the form. Choose your football club. So choose your team. Okay, choose your football team. Okay, so now here comes the select. So I'm going to say select. Football club ID. Let me say clubs. Now we have the option. We are going to make use of the option. Now I believe it is coming up gradually. Now you see we have it here, but it is still blank. So we have the options. So let me say Arsenal. Now you see we have Arsenal, the option. So the value. So let me just insert a value here. Let me still use Arsenal as the value. Yep. So let me move to another. Let me add another option. Let me see option. Chelsea. So Chelsea. Let me check. We have Arsenal, we have Chelsea. So you see, it is perfectly working. So let me make use of. Let me see option. Let me see Man City. So let me see Man. Let me just see Man City. Okay, so let me see. Let's see, you have Man City. So you can add as many as you can. So let me just add more too so that we can see it better. Then let me say Real Madrid. So Real space Madrid. Now you see it is working perfectly as expected. So option Enyimba. I'm going to add a Nigeria Football Club, Enyimba. So now we can see, so this is how we can make use of our select element in HTML. So I can now easily add, maybe I want to collect the data of my users, so I can now add the input. So type, I'm going to change it to submit. Submit. The input type, we change it to submit. Then I'm going to add my value, which is going to be submit to. So now this is, so whenever a user visits our website, so for example, let me just choose a club. Let me choose Real Madrid. So now by clicking submit, now you see, so it will be submitted to the back end. You understand? I told you I just created this back end here on my computer. You understand? So it will be submitted there. So that's how we can use the select button. So I hope this really helps you a lot. So